Hello everybody, how are you doing today? I hope good. Today I'm finally going to show you my latest setup for my home theater. It's pretty cool. Hopefully for all the people that I've talked to about owning a projector, hopefully you get some ideas of how you can do it at your house. Some people, they don't know that it's not that difficult to set up a home theater at your house. Main thing you need is a projector and a screen. People have asked me that if they were to get a projector, that they don't have an empty wall to have a screen on. And what I'm going to show you today is that you don't need an empty wall or a designated room for that matter. All you need is a screen and a projector. There's more to it than that, but right here I'm showing you my living room. This is my living room. It's not very big, but it's pretty. I'm happy with my living room. It's not the biggest one, but it's not the smallest either, so I guess you could say average. But anyways, right here you saw my living room, and right here, I don't know if you've seen already, here's my screen. So as you can see right here, you can see that I do not have a designated wall just for a screen. My screen is right here. It's mounted on top on the ceiling. There's different ways to mount screens. You can mount it on the wall, but because I have my TV here, I cannot mount it on the wall. So I chose to mount it on the ceiling. This is a manual screen. The size of this screen is 135. I feel sometimes that it's too big, but everybody that has came over and seen my home theater, they're not complaining. They're actually pretty excited to see how big this screen is, and you'll see in a minute. I'm getting to it. Don't worry. Sorry. But anyways, right here, 135-inch screen. It's a manual, so you have to manually pull it down. It would be nice to have electrical, but that's way more money. And a cool thing about manual screens that I didn't realize until I got mine was that it's easy to set up your theater when you're gonna go ahead and watch a movie. So right here, I'm gonna go ahead and bring it down, and I'll use my handy dandy screen puller. So I just go ahead and latch it here, bring it down till I can reach it, because I'm not that tall, and then just bring it down to the level that, and there you go. 135-inch screen. So go ahead and take a look at it. It's pretty big actually, but like I said, everybody that's seen it loves it. So this room is around, I believe, 18 feet from the seating area to the screen. 18, yeah, I believe it's 18, around there. And I have my projector up here. I made a shelf or cabinet, I don't know what you want to call that, just for my projector. I did it all myself. I think it came out okay. It took forever to make, but I'm pretty happy the way it turned out. So this is where I have my projector inside there. Okay. So I went ahead and did the wiring. I took a long time to have this set up. Don't feel that you have to do it the way I did. It's not as complicated as you think it could be, because before I used to just have it right here on this end table, and I just had it projecting to the screen. But eventually I wanted to have it a permanent setup, so I went ahead and made this shelving right here. and I'm pretty happy about it. Anyways, let's go ahead and get this thing turned on so you can see. Let me see if it's on. I thought I had it on. There it goes. Okay, yeah, one question that I always get asked is I don't have a wall, so how can I have a projector? And like I explained, you don't need a wall, so this is showing you don't need a wall. And now that you have a screen, you can project it on the screen. I have the Fire Stick right now, and here you go. Okay, right now you can see that I only have that one lamp on, and then I have my kitchen lights on, and you can see that it still looks okay. Let's come around over here. As you can see, it still looks okay, and that's because of the projector that I have. This projector is Epson model 3500, I believe, 3500, and this one, the lumens, which is the brightness level, is 2500 lumens. And I chose this one because I wanted to be able to see with still having some light on, but what you want is no lights on. So this is 2500 lumens, and it looks pretty good. So let's go ahead and turn off the lights. Turn off kitchen lights. So once you have the lights off, then it really pops. As you can see, beautiful, beautiful. This is so awesome. Every time that I turn on my projector, and once I shut off those lights, the party's on, or I should say the movie's on. So this is my living room, my projector with a 135-inch screen, lights off. Well, kitchen lights. So I still have one lamp on, and it still looks okay. So let's go ahead and turn off this light. So I'll turn off living lamp 1. And once you shut off that light, then you can see the light is only from the projector. So once you sit down, then you really get to see, you really get to enjoy your movie. So I'm having a seat on my recliner, and let's see what we can do right now real quick. Right now this is the Fire Stick. This is the Fire Stick, and let's just go through it real quick, and then I guess I can show you the PlayStation too. But for right now, so here we go. Let's check out Netflix real quick. So what do you guys think? Pretty cool, huh? Nothing beats watching your movies and your shows on a huge screen like this. You can buy a big TV, but those are super expensive. But once you get yourself a projector, this is a one-of-a-kind experience. One of a kind. So what else can I talk about? There's a lot more to go into as far as the whole setup, but this, I just wanted to real quick show you, projector projecting. Let's take a look right here. Popular. So let's see, I guess we could play something, huh, before I shut down this video. What else? I don't know what to play. Oh, Thor Ragnarok. I love that movie. Alright guys, so what do you think? You think you're ready to get yourself a projector? And put it in your own living room? So right now I kind of oversimplified it. Projector and screen, and of course you need the cables, the wiring and all that. But main components, get yourself a projector, and then a screen, and once you get that, then you'll be amazed with the quality, and then you'll want to keep upgrading your system. And actually, you don't need to get everything at once. If you already have a surround sound, then yeah, just go ahead and just, you know, keep adding to it. Alright guys, I guess that'll be enough for now. Alright guys, thanks for watching my video. I'll try to make another one explaining more in detail of how to connect it, but for right now I just wanted to show you the screen and the projector. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Bye. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like to play PS4 on my projector. I almost forgot to show you guys. So let's give this a shot. This is awesome. I was playing this game under a different user account, but it was too much progression by my brother, so I went ahead and just deleted the data and start from the very beginning. So here we go. God of War on the PS4. I forgot actually how this game goes. Pretty awesome game, that's for sure. Hopefully it doesn't take that long to get to some action scene, but this already looks awesome. Okay, so I'll just play a little bit, and then that'll be the end of this video. So hopefully after this video I motivated you guys to go out and get your own projector and screen. There's more to it. Like I said, I'll go ahead and try to make another video or more, however many it takes to kind of go through the whole process. This wasn't a very planned video, so hopefully it's okay. This looks awesome. Sorry, I keep saying it, but it truly is. Until you see something like this in person, you just can't imagine how great it is. Okay, I love God of War. Alright guys, sorry. So anyways, that's enough for now. I'll talk to you guys later. Have fun. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments. I'll try to answer. But yeah, this is a Epson 3500. There's a newer one though. This one has been discontinued. So the new one is Epson 3700, and that one has 3000 lumens. This is 2500 lumens. So the new one will definitely be brighter, and it'll look better with the lights on. Turn on kitchen lights. So I'll go ahead and turn on the lights again. And if this is 2500 lumens, imagine how 3000 lumens will look. Cool. Alright guys, take care. Talk to you later. Bye.